Good morning. Today we are going to discuss the next concept of admission of a partner, and the next concept is investment fluctuation reserve. Firstly, we will discuss its meaning. Sometimes it happens that what investment you have done in the market, its market value falls below the book value. So there is a loss. To cover this fall in the market value of investment, a reserve is created out of profit, which is known as investment fluctuation reserve. So, what is the accounting treatment of investment fluctuation reserve? We are going to discuss one by one. First is book value and market value of investment is same. So, when book value is equal to market value, then no loss is there. So, whatever reserve we have in investment, it should be credited to the partner's capital or current account. Journal entry will be investment fluctuation reserve account debit to old partner's capital or current account. So, this reserve will be distributed between the partners in old ratio. Then number 2, if market value of investment is less than book value. अगर आपकी इन्वेस्टमेंट की जो बुक मार्केट वैल्यू है वो बुक वैल्यू से बिलो चले जाती है, ठीक है. सो इस केस में आपके पास 3 डिफरेंट सर्कमस्टांसिस हैं. सो फर्स्ट क्या है, फॉल इन मार्केट वैल्यू इज़ लेस दैन इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्लक्चुएशन रिजर्व. ठीक है. सपोज आपके पास रिजर्व में 60,000 है और जो इन्वेस्टमेंट का फॉल हुआ है दैट इज़ ऑफ 10,000. ठीक है. IFR 60,000 and fall in market value of investment that is 10,000. So entry will be investment fluctuation reserve account debit. So what is the amount of investment fluctuation reserve? 60,000. To investment it will be 10,000. After covering the 10,000 lost from 60,000, still we are having 50,000 in IFR. So this 50,000 will be distributed between old partners in which ratio? Again old ratio. So entry investment fluctuation reserve account debit to investment account to old partners capital account. Then beta fall in the value is equal to IFR. जितना आपके पास रिजर्व है उतना ही आपकी मार्केट वैल्यू में फॉल हुआ है. सपोज IFR इज इक्वल टू 60,000 एंड fall in the market value is also 60,000. Market value of investment, it is also of 60,000. So entry will be IFR account debit 60,000 to investments 60,000. Whole reserve is used. Nothing is left that we have to credited to the partners capital account. कुछ भी नहीं बचा हमारे पास जो हम पार्टनर्स के कैपिटल अकाउंट में क्रेडिट करेंगे. नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास फॉल इन द वैल्यू इज मोर देन IFR. आपकी जो इन्वेस्टमेंट का फॉल हुआ है बेटा वो ज़्यादा है रिजर्व से. अगेन सपोज इन द रिजर्व you are having 15,000 rupee and fall in the value of investment suppose it is 20,000. Reserve 50,000 है लेकिन fall in market value it is 20,000. So IFR account debit 15,000. Fall in market value of investment that is 20,000. So investment will be credited by 20,000. Still there is a loss of 5,000 to the firm. So revaluation account will be debited 5,000, whatever difference is there. Then third one is there, if market value of investment is more than book value. If market value of investment is more than book value, आपकी जो इन्वेस्टमेंट की मार्केट वैल्यू है वो ज़्यादा है, ठीक है, ऑलरेडी आप प्रॉफिट में हो. सो इन दैट केस टू जर्नल एंट्रीज विल बी देयर. फर्स्ट एंट्री, whatever amount of investment fluctuation reserve you are having, it will be credited to the partner's capital account. So journal entry will be investment fluctuation reserve account debit to old partner's capital or current account. Then second entry, that is with the amount of gain you are having in investment. So journal entry will be investment account debit to revaluation account. So amount will be only the amount of gain which you are getting from investment. So revise these entries. Keep learning.